we have done the same thing, no? Might be some mistake would be there, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Tell your question. What is the question, Charan?
Sir, the question is, if one of the angles of a triangle is 130 degrees,
One of the angle of
then
a triangle is how much?
130 degrees.
130 degree. Okay. Huh.
Then the angle between the bisectors of the other two angles can be.
Okay. See, 130 degrees like this, no? Correct.
Yes, sir.
See, one angle is 130 degree. Then what they are saying? Tell the complete thing.
Sir, then the angle between the bisector of other two angles can be.
Okay. So it means that bisector of other two angles. This is a bisector of these two angles. This one, and this is also bisector,
Yes.
right? It means that what you get the angle. Suppose all the angle will be 180 degree, right? So these two angles sum should be what? 50 degree. That you understood, Sai Charan?
Sir, yes, sir, and I wrote 50 degrees. Sir.
That is wrong then, no? Because here they're saying bisector of this, right? Tell what they again, the bisector of other two angles, right?
Yes, sir. Then the angle between the bisector of the other two angles can be.
The bisector of other two angles. See, bisector will be half of it, right? If this two complete angle is, if you see, Sai Charan, this complete angle is 50, right? This both complete angles is 50, correct? So bisector becomes what? Bisector is half of it, no? Sai Charan?
Sir, but in a triangle, the sides, if we add the sides, we need to get 180, right, sir? So how it can be more than, sir?
How it can be?
More than that, sir.
It's not more than 180 only is coming, no, here. See,
So
this is 30,
230
including this both I'm saying. This including both 50 I'm saying.
Okay, yes, sir, yes.
It's not only one part. So bisector means half of 50, that is 25, correct?
Yes, sir.
Half of 50, that is how much? 25.
5.
Yeah.
Sir, but the answer is 155.
155.
Yes, sir.
I think I did see the answer properly. Maybe this one 125 and here 180 minus.
I wrote 50, sir, because
See
there
here,
is.
Sai Charan, it's coming. Maybe this one they're asking in the question. I've not seen the question properly, but if they ask this one, no bisector weight, it's joining here. So this, if this both is 25, so this angle will be what? 155 only, right?
Yes, sir.
And this way you should think. Bisector of the two angles where it meets, that is your 155. Who has joined now?
Sir, you said there is test today.
What happened, Satvik?
Sir, you said there is test today.
Test was there, no? You have not attempted.
Sir, I didn't get the test, sir. There was only mock test.
Huh?
Sir, there was no test, sir. Dropper.
There is no test on topper.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There was only a mock test.
So there was a mock test, but then later on it came.
Acha, okay. Later it came, Satvik.
Sir, I checked at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, all time physics.
You check with Sai Charan, and children also put already they have given the test. Satvik. So now shall we move further? Which chapter shall we do more questions based on lines and angles?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
shall we start circles?
Circles. Circles we have done now.
Yes.
You want to do once again circles?
No, sir.
Circles, see,
Okay,
we have done so many questions based
So
on
can we do surface area volumes?
surface area and volume we can do, yes. So let's start. Sai
Sir,
Charan,
we did it, sir.
Sir, we completed it, sir.
we
Yes,
have
sir.
completed everything, but which one you want to finish then? See, every chapters we have finished almost, right? None of the
Yes,
chapters
sir.
pending still. I think surface area and volume is the vast chapter, and we can do if you want, right? See, I have done 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, everything I have done already.
Yes,
See,
sir.
doubts also I have cleared so many doubts. This is not required here actually. So 13.1 to 13.8, I have finished everything. Okay. And if you want extra questions, we can do extra questions also based on that.
Sure, yes, sir. Or else I can do from first, sir, from the definition.
From which one?
From the definition.
From the real numbers, you are saying number system.
Sir, we did this again, right?
Which one?
This chapter. We did 2 times, right?
Surface
Sir,
area and volumes, we have done 2
it's-
times, you are saying.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, so many times.
Yes, sir. Not only 2 times, we did so many times.
Okay, fine. So which chapter you want to do then?
So we'll start from first, sir. Number system, then we'll go to the
Number system.
Sir, we'll
Yes,
do
sir.
Heron's formula.
Heron's formula.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's easy ones.
Recently, we have done Heron's formula, man.
Sir, then statistics.
Number system only, surface area and volumes you do, children. I don't think people know properly this one. Okay, we'll
Okay.
start this only. Okay. Surface area and volumes. So let's start.
Yes, sir.
Cuboid. All of you on the camera now, children. All of you on the camera. Saitvik, Syanvi, Deepshikha, Bhumika, Saitvik. Hey, Saitvik,
Yes, sir.
how was the party?
Which party, sir?
Happy New Year party.
I didn't have a party, sir.
Okay. All of you, if you're not on the camera, not going to start the meeting now, children. Satvik has on now. Satvik, Sai Ritvik, Deepshikha. Acha, Deepshikha. Ha. So one more girl was there, I think, I remember, no? Deepshikha, before you, one more girl joined, right? On the same, before that, same
I
day.
think Disha or something.
Ha, Diksha, yes, Diksha. Vivek. Satvik,
Good evening, sir.
good
Yes, sir.
evening. On your camera, Sai
Sir,
Charan, Vivek.
Yeah, sir. 1 minute.
Hello, Sai Charan.
Sir, yes, sir.
What happened? Sir, better you end the meeting. What, you're not able to hear or what?
Sir, no, sir. I thought that you're not able to talk, sir. That's why I thought.
No. Sriyanvi, for Sriyanvi, I told that. She's not able to hear me. That's why I told her to join once again.
Okay.
So you're having cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. is sphere and you are having hemisphere. Okay. So cube, then you are having in all the cases, you are having volume, then you are having CSA and TSA. So do you know all these things? What a difference between volume, CSA and TSA? Do you know all these three things? Vivek,
Yeah, sir.
anyone having doubt in these three line items? First is volume, second is CSA, and third one is TSA. Anyone having doubt in these three?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Once again, if you are not knowing, Sai Charan, I'll remove from the meeting. Well, you are not on the camera. Sai Charan, what do you want?
So it's
Say, what happened? Having any problem?
sir, I'm owning it, sir. It's not owning.
It's not on. Okay, let's leave the meeting and join once again.
Yes, sir.
So volume means what is coming in this thing. Suppose if you're talking about room, okay, inside the room, one volume is there in this. So how much air is present inside the room? How much air is present? That is coming under what? Volume, okay. That is coming under volume. Suppose how much people can sit in this particular place. Means what volume is how much rice you can keep inside the room. How much cubes will come, no, playing cubes. How much cubes you can put inside the box, okay. So that whole area is drop this area, what you're getting now, this all the area is coming under what? Coming under volume, okay, volume. Now we are talking about CSA. CSA full form is what? Dipshikha, what is the full form of CSA?
Curved surface area.
So curved surface area meaning, you know, what is the meaning of curved surface area? Suppose you want to
Which excludes the top part and the bottom part.
So what is CSA of this cuboid? If I'm talking about this cuboid, what is CSA part of this? Anyone just tell me, just raise the hands who knows CSA of
2
cube.
LB plus BH plus HL.
2 LB plus BH plus HL. You are saying this
in
one?
brackets. Yes.
This one. Then what about TSA? If CSA is this much, then what about TSA?
Sir, LSA of a cuboid is 2H into
Sir, just
What
one
I'm
time.
saying, listen. What I'm saying, just raise your hand. I'm not asking questions to everyone. Just raise your hands who knows CSA, TSA, and all. CSA, TSA, volume. Those who know, just raise your hands, children. You know the option is there to raise the hand. Okay, Vivek knows. Anybody else? Satvik knows. Bhumika, do you know? Okay. To see you. So 3 participants has on their hands. Satvik, Sai Ritvik, Sai Charan, Satvik, and Vivek. Okay. Tell me, Satvik, what about CSA? What is the formula of CSA?
Sir, 2 LB plus LH.
2 LB in bracket you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Sai Ritvik? Same formula is for CSA?
No, sir. No, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it's 2H into L plus B.
L plus B this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Sai Satvik? What is happening
Yes,
here?
sir.
So see, Bhumika, what is happening here? No, I'm just covering with one yellow here, yellow mark. What is CSA coming under picture? CSA means area of 4 walls. Okay, area of 4 walls means your left and right. Suppose you are sitting inside the room. Okay, Bhumika.
Yes.
And you have to find the area of front, back, and left and right walls area you have to find. So what I'm just coloring over here, that only will be there or not, just see. And this front part. We are not using this one, top and bottom part we are not using. We are calling it as CSA is also known as what? Area of 4 walls. What we call it as? Area of 4 walls. Okay. So CSA is also known as area of 4 walls, or we can write it as C. if you are talking about this length, this is your length, this is breadth, and this is height. So left part, if you see the left part of it, the area will be what? B into H will come or not? Try to understand. If left part here in the figure, if I just show you, what we can write? B into H. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
And what about Dipshika? You know that, right? Understood what I'm saying? And same left and right area will remain the same. That is, you can write 2BH. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see the front wall of this, your building, of your room, front part. So this is length and height will remain the same. So area of this front wall is equal to what? Length into height. But 2 times you should write, correct? 2
Yes.
times. So what is common in this both? Common is 2 and H is common, right? Into L plus B, correct?
Sir,
What
but
is
even 2 LH plus BH is also correct, right?
2? What? Tell once again.
Sir, before which one I said? 2 LH plus BH. LH
Two.
and BH is in bracket.
Okay, 1 minute. 2 LH and BH you told.
Yes, sir.
I think you told 2B and bracket something you told. It was not
Sir,
matching.
no, sir, I said 2 LH plus BH.
1 minute, I'll go back. What you told, I just write here. I can't make that many migration also. But you don't told that one. If what is correct, then I'd have told you. Okay. So this is a thing here. 2H and bracket L plus B will be there. So anyone having doubt in this too?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or simply you can remember 2 into L plus B into H. Okay. 2 into L plus B is perimeter of rectangle that we reading from class 7th only. And just multiply by height, that is your area of 4 walls. I think CSA part is clear to everyone, right?
Yeah, sir.
Now what Dipshika was telling, that 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is the correct answer for TSA. Okay, Dipshika, because you have calculated for top and bottom both, right? So what you told before one is, you told it as means TSA. I'm writing here only TSA is nothing but 2 in bracket, you can write LB plus BH plus HL. So this is coming for these things. TSA will be there, then CSA, and then volume. 3 things only we are having with you. CSA, TSA, and what is volume? Volume is
Sir,
equals
L
to
into B into H.
LBH.
LBH. That's it. So shall I erase this? Everything is written down also. So everything is
Yes,
written
sir.
down. Everything is written down also. I'm just erasing this for understanding. Once again, I just drawn the figure. So it's clear now. Fine. Now see, starting from first, what is volume? Volume is nothing but the volume is the space occupied by an object. Space occupied inside the room. How much air is there? That is your volume. Okay. Suppose volume of the using cubes we are using here. The volume, if you are going to find here, so volume of object 1, if you see object 1, there is 5 into 5 into 4. How it is coming? Because we are doing length into breadth into height. Okay. Lengthwise, how much cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 length. And if you see about width also, means height also is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 is a height. Height is 4 only, right? And your depth is 5. So if you multiply length, breadth, and height, you will get how much? LBH. Depth is 4. See from here to here,
Yes.
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Depth is 4. And your length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length and anything you can take, not a problem in this, but here, which is depth, which is length that you think that you can do. Some people can take length only. That means height is this, breadth is this, length is this. You can take any one of you. Okay. Is it clear? Means you will length and depth and height. Width is not there only if you think, right? Now object 2, if you see here, object 2 is 5 into 4 into 6. Vivek, Sai Charan, Pulastya. Don't off your camera, children, otherwise remove from the meeting. Remember.
Okay.
So now third one is volume of the object of the third one is 3 into 3 into 6. That is 54 centimeter cube. If you know the volume area, volume formula, then also you can write. Okay. So this is the volume part what we have done. So what we have read till now, what is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. This is the formula. Next one is surface area of the cuboid. Surface is the area of the cuboid is nothing but this. Here we are talking about TSA, total surface area of cuboid. Okay. So total surface area of cuboid is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So L we know, breadth we know, height we know. So simply we multiply and get the answer. Next part of it is total surface area of cube. The first total surface area of cube means all the sides will be same, right? So here total surface area will come what? 6a square. How you know? You know how it is coming 6a square? Anyone?
Sir, because it has
A
6
square is the
sides.
area.
Yeah, any one of you who doesn't understand this part, because total surface area of the cube. If you're not understanding, please ask. Anyone, please raise your hands. Those who doesn't know how
Sir, I
6a.
did not.
Okay, fine. Who is not understanding this? Vivek, you.
Yeah, sir.
So see here. Cube means all sides will be same, right, Vivek? Cube
Yeah, sir.
means all the sides will remain the same. So if you see the square, area means how many walls will be there in this cube? How many faces will be left, right, front, back, top, bottom, right?
Yeah, sir.
The one side, if you see Vivek, the one side, suppose one side is A into A. One side area is how much? A square.
Yeah.
And left, right, top, bottom, front, back, whatever you find the area of the cube, you will get A square plus how many times will you get? 6 times, right?
6 times, sir.
The volume surface area of the cube is how much? 6a square. It's clear?
Okay, sir.
Anyone else having doubt in the same question? Shriyanvi, is it clear to you? Shriyanvi.
It's clear, sir.
Okay, fine. If I tell the same thing, CSA of cube, so what is the answer for Pulastya? CSA, Pulastya knows everything, this one. Right, Pulastya? If I ask CSA of cube, what is the answer for CSA of cube? Bhumika is clear. What a 4 square, how it is coming?
Yes, sir.
Because we are just bothering only about our surrounding, front, back, left, right, right? So there are 4 sides, the 4a square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next one is volume of cuboid. Right down, we are reading volume of cuboid again and again. We are reading the same thing. LBH. Again, formula of volume of cube is a cube. A cube, you know why is coming? LB instead of LBH, we are using A into A. Because all these sides are what? A. Length is also A, breadth is also A, and height is also A. A into A, that is nothing but A to the power 3. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here difference between CSA and TSA. I already told you what is difference between those two. Anyone having doubt is still in what is difference between CSA and TSA?
No, sir.
Children, if you're having doubt
No.
anything, just tell me. If you're having doubt in CSA and TSA, the CSA is
No.
curves. CSA means just surrounding by you, and TSA means if you add top and bottom. Now we are talking about cylinder part. Okay. So here only you see cylinder part. The cylinder volume, if you are writing anything, suppose volume of cuboid, what we wrote right now. Cuboid volume is cuboid. What we written LBH, right? So till now in class 6th and 7th, you have read rectangle, you know, right? Rectangle, you know, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So in rectangle, we know only area. What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth, correct?
Yes.
But this is two-dimensional. Rectangle is two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means only that's like a paper. There is no height and all, right? But cuboid is your three-dimensional. If you can just like a box, like a book. So height is coming extra over here. Understood? So volume of cuboid is nothing but LBH. So you can say area into height also, correct? Area of rectangle into height. Is it clear how to find volume?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Because area is nothing but length into breadth, and extra height we are multiplying because this is three-dimensional geometry, three-dimensional figures, right? So length into breadth and multiply by height, that become what? Volume. Similarly, we are using for cylinder also. How volume of cylinder will be pi r square h? Because one circle, one plate of circle type plate you put here, okay? Or put a paper like circle. And keep on putting, it becomes top like this, correct? It happened like this or not? Like height.
Yes.
Yes.
The same way what we are doing, area of circle we are taking, area of the circle is what? Pi r square, that everyone knows, right?
Yes.
And we have just multiplied by height, so that this volume of cylinder came into picture. Got it? So area of circle is pi r square. And if you just multiply with what? Height. This height you multiply over here. So area of the circle is pi r square, and multiply by height. Anyone having doubt in volume? How to find volume over here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see about CSA now. See the CSA 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay. So just if you remembering purpose, if you want to learn, so what you do here is pi r square h, you know right now. So just 2 upper part is there. No, this 2 upper part. That's you bring in front. 2 pi r h. Is it clear how to remember?
Yeah, sir.
2 pi r h. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
See how to, if you want to explain you how to do, how to this formula is coming, then how to, I'm just explaining right now. Okay, 1 minute.
Sir, is it like perimeter into height, sir?
Yes, perimeter into height only. How, what's perimeter is coming into picture that I'm telling right now. Suppose at home, what you do, no, you take a piece of paper. This paper will be like this, correct?
Yeah, sir.
If you roll like this, if you roll in this pattern, what happens? It become like, once it becomes cylinder like thing or not, you can just imagine. If you roll this paper in this cylindrical form, you can do in that or not?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
So what
Yeah.
you have to do is this cylindrical part, what you can see on the top, that is nothing but this only. You open, you will get this length only, correct or not? Did you understand what is coming here?
Yeah, sir.
If you turn this page, this topper part, this circle part is coming into this lengthwise. Are you understanding what is happening here or not?
Yes, sir.
So 2 pi area is what? 2 pi r, and this is nothing but height of the cylinder. Did you understand? This is, see, this is height, and topper part is what? 2 pi r. Getting? So this is
Yeah.
So 2 pi r is the perimeter of circle. I might have read in class 8th or something. So if you're not able to compare the things, just tell me. I just tell once again. I'm telling actually, if you're not understanding that, you tell me how it is coming. I'm going to the basics. how we are reaching to 2 pi RH. Understanding, Bhumika, what I told right now?
Yes, sir.
So this is the plane of paper, and this upper part is nothing but part of what? This circle one. The circle part is 2 pi r, perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, and this height becomes the same height of this rectangle. So just multiplying here 2 pi r into h. Okay. Now you see total surface area. Difference between total surface area and curved surface area already all of us we know. So CSA, in CSA part, this top circle part is not included, correct? Both top as well as bottom. So what we are doing here is, we are just, this is CSA part only. We are just adding both the circle areas here. See, 2 pi r square I have added here. Is it clear why I have added? See, this circle is nothing but pi r square area. This circle is nothing but pi r square area. I'm adding this one plus this one, both. So we are getting 2 pi r square.
Sir, if one side is there and one side is hollow, then we minus it with pi r square, right?
Yeah, one side is there, one side is open, means you can take only 1 pi r square, no problem.
Yes.
But here we are talking about TSA, means TSA is coming under top as well as bottom. If your packed cylinder is there. So 2 pi r. Now in both the this one, what is common? 2 pi r is common, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 pi r is common. In other bracket, we are getting it as h plus r. 2 pi r is common. In bracket, we got h plus r. That's it. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Anyone having doubt in this? So this is the complete formula of cylinder, volume, CSA and TSA. So children, just think for 2 minutes. If you're having doubt, you can ask. Cube, cuboid, cylinder. Cube, cuboid and cylinder, we have finished the formula part. Cube, cuboid and cylinder. We have finished volume, CSA and TSA. If you're having doubt in these 3 parts for these things, just let me know. Shriyanvi, is it clear to you? Shriyanvi? Okay, fine. Now we are moving to the next topic. So here you know already what we have discussed right now, right? Say TSA, CSA plus area of 2 circles already we know, right? So same thing is discussed over here. 2 pi r if you open this and height. That already we have learned how it is coming. 2 pi r h, 2 pi r into r plus h. This part is clear, surface area part of the cylinder is clear, right? Now see volume of cylinder. So this one is your volume of cylinder, all of you know that is pi r square h. But if I tell you volume of hollow cylinder, hollow cylinder means, you know, children, see, you can see this volume, this cylinder, you can see. Hollow means nothing is mentioned, like pipe you have seen, no, pipe, water flowing pipe or any pipe which water can flow, something can flow, right? It's hollow pipe.
Yeah.
This is your hollow pipe. What is the volume of hollow pipe that you can tell me? Anyone who knows the volume of hollow cylinder? Any one of you?
Sir, area of inner radius, inner that thing and outer.
No, what I'm saying, raise your hands first. I'm asking, my question is, I'm writing my question over here. Volume of hollow cylinder. First question is this much. Volume of hollow cylinder. Those who know, raise your hands. Only this is my question. Volume of hollow cylinder. in which what is happening here? This is your bigger cylinder. Hollow cylinder is nothing but pipe, and you are having one thickness will be there for the cylinder, right? So volume of this one. Sai Ritvik has raised the hands. Okay, anyone else? So volume of hollow cylinder. Okay, Sai Ritvik, tell me.
Sir, the volume of hollow cylinder is pi into the radius of the bigger area minus the radius of the smaller cylinder into height.
So pi r minus what you are saying? Pi
No, sir,
r.
pi in brackets capital R square minus R square height into height.
Okay, how it is coming, Sai Ritvik?
Sir, because we are essentially taking out the radius of the smaller circle, so that is minus R square, and then into height is the normal pi R square.
Okay,
Which
fine.
is the normal, sir.
So see what Sai Ritvik is told, that is correct only, but how it is reaching, I'm just telling you how he is told. Okay. See, in between what you are seeing, there nothing is there inside this. This is nothing there. Okay. In between there is nothing over here inside this. So you can find the external, you know, the difference between external volume and internal volume, that you know, children. Because if this is a hollow cylinder, this will have two radius, right? One is your external radius from the center to top. Outside part will be your capital R. So two radius will be there. One is capital R, and this only small part from this to here only. One you are having a small r, correct? This understanding, no? This hollow cylinder is having capital R as well as small r. So external volume, you have to see capital R. For internal volume, you have to see small r. It means that volume of formula will remain the same, pi r square h, and remove this small part. Understood what I'm saying? Bigger cylinder will be there, no? That you keep as it is. And small cylinder, what is coming? This one. This you throw it out. We don't want that, because that is khali, no? That air will come into that. If you just see, the air is passing through it. Correct, no? So we are just throwing it out. So what is common in this two? Pi and h is common, and you can write here bracket r square minus r square. Clear how it is happening?
Yes.
The same thing I've written here also. See, children. So pi r1 r2 I'm writing here, instead of capital R, I've taken small r. So pi r1 square h minus pi r2 square h, where r1 is what? R1 is bigger radius, r2 is a smaller radius. I've written here. So pi h common, you take r1 square minus r2 square. So this is the formula for volume of hollow cylinder. So again, if you want to write, you can write. See, r1 square minus r2 square, you know the formula, r1 plus r2 and r1 minus r2, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So r1 plus r2, you can use this formula also, r1 plus r2, r1 minus r2. So in this blue part, what I have written right now, anyone having doubt in this blue part? Means from here to here. Anyone having doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
The C children, Bhumika, Satvik, Sai Ritvik, anyone having doubt in this? The C once again.
No, sir.
All right. Sai Ritvik, why your camera is off? If I tell, then your hand is on the mouse only, right? Sai Ritvik. Sakkat talent, super talent you are having, man. Nice talent, huh? Okay. So this part is clear, volume of cylinder. Next part is, so we have read cube, cuboid and cylinder. All the three things we have read. And this we added here with which one? Hollow cylinder. We have hollow cylinder. Okay. So we have added one more topic, that is hollow cylinder. Now next one is cone part. Okay. So in cone part, two height will be there. You are just wondering about why it is, what is two height, right? Two height. So I'm just tell you what is two height over here. So if you see now, you can see the cone here. This is H, and when I'm writing here, it is L. So what is L and H? Anyone can tell me what is L and H? Satvik, do you know what is difference between L and H?
Sir, what, sir?
I've written right now. No, see this H. What you can see on the screen right now.
Sir, height and length.
Yeah, this H and this L. I'm asking the difference between this H and L. What is difference between these two?
Sir, that H is normal height. The length is slant height.
Yeah, Dipshika.
So slant height is like along with the line of the like cone, and lateral height is from the ground, from the base, if you take a straight line up.
Okay, so we are, yeah, that's correct. So we are having L and H. 1 minute. It's not working. 1 minute. 1 minute's coming back. So see H and L. So L means why you're sleeping, no? On the small child will sleep on this, right? So that we call it as slant height. What we call it as? Slant height. Where small children will play and just sleeping from this, right? Drop, slippery way. That is your slant height. And this height is nothing but vertical height. We call it as what? Vertical height. Or what side you told, that is also correct only. This normal height is this H. That is always straight, right? Always at 90 degree. And slant, what you're having, that is your slippery part. And next third you are having is radius, right? R is the radius. So children, in formula we are using L, H and R, okay? In volume, we are not using L and all, but in CSA we are using L. So suppose L is not given to you, H and R is given to you. How to find L and all? You know Pythagoras theorem, right?
Yeah, sir.
So by Pythagoras theorem, you just take the triangle and you can name it as, instead of their perpendicular base and hypotenuse you are using, right? Like this triangle. So in this case, what you use, this is L, this one is H, and this one is R. As per this, you just form the formula by yourself only. You can do these two formulas. So H is lateral height, L is slant height, R is radius, and L square means longest side. Remember one thing, children, which is the longest side? Which is slippery one, that is the longest side. So L square, if you write, that you should write as H square plus R square. And suppose you're writing a smaller side, H square you're writing or R square you're writing, you should write what? L square minus R square. Is it clear, children, what is happening?
Yes.
So no need to remember here anything. Simply you just try to understand which is the longest side over here. The longest side is always H, L only, because it's a slant height. Okay. This is slant height, right? The slant height is the longest height over here. So L square is nothing but H square plus R square. Is it clear? And
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
if you're finding H or R over here, if you're finding H or R, so how to find H? H square is equals to what you should write? L square minus R square. Is it clear? If you're finding R square, then L square only minus R square. So now you see the volume part of it. So you know the volume of cylinder. Cylinder volume is what? Pi r square h. I told you how pi r square we are arriving to pi r square h, right? So simply we just divide by 3. This is the volume of what? Cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next, move to the curved surface area of the cone. So here we are using formula pi r L. And last point, which is total surface area of this, is nothing but CSA will remain the same. We are adding extra what? We are adding extra circle over here. So what is the area of circle? Bhumika? What is the area of circle here? Area of circle. What is area of circle?
Pi r square.
So we are
Pi
adding.
r square.
Okay. So in CSA, that is pi RL, we are adding extra circle over here, that is pi r square. So pi RL plus pi r square. What is common in these two?
Pi r.
Pi r is common, and bracket we can write L plus R. So these are we are finished right now. Cone volume, CSA, and TSA of cone. So till now we have read cube, cuboid, cylinder, then hollow cylinder, and then cone, right? This 5 points we have read till now. So anyone having doubt in all these 5 points? Any one of you
No,
having this?
sir.
Okay. You're not having any 5 points over here, right? So cube, cuboid, cylinder, hollow cylinder, cone. No doubt in this, right? So now same thing is repeating again down here. Volume of cone 1 by 3. And next topic is frustum that you are not having in class 9th, you are having in class 10th. So anyone of you know what is frustum? Any one of you know what is frustum? Vivek, do you know this? Sriyanvi?
No, sir.
The frustum is nothing only. So simply you know this cone, no? Cone part you know, right?
Yeah.
So remove, cut. This sar wala jo part hai, just remove this out. So you'll get bucket thing, right? Bucket thing you
Yeah.
get. So bucket part, so but bucket part is nothing. This down part is nothing but frustum. Okay. This down part, what you get right now, this is your frustum. So if you know how to find the volume of this bucket, that is nothing but frustum only. If you know cone, you can find frustum also easily. So here formula is 1 by 3. Simply I'm telling, don't need to remember for class 9. See 1 by 3 pi r square h we know, right? So 1 by 3 pi h will remain the same. There are two radius if you see. One is small radius, one is bigger radius, right? Correct? So r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2, right? So no need to remember, simply I've given you the basic concept. So in class 9th and all, nobody is going to ask you what is frustum and all. But I told you the basic concept so that you can just use in class 10th. What is frustum? That is not new for you. Okay. So if you know the volume of cone, you can rate this one also. If you know CSA of the cone is what? You read pi RL, right? So here pi and L will remain the same. And instead of R, we are using R1 plus R2. That's it. Because two radius are there, no? So we are using pi into R1 plus R2 into what? L. Is it clear?
L.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
sir.
it. So like this only we have to do. Now TSA if you're finding. So TSA also you know. What is TSA? CSA will remain the same. pi R1 plus R2 into L plus extra 2 circle is coming over here, top part and bottom part, right? So pi R1 square L plus pi R2 square L. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So only radius part is getting changed over here. Instead of in cone, only R was coming, and here we are adding R1 plus R2. Here also R1 plus R2. Again, top and bottom, 2 circles, right? So formula part is clear to everyone.
Yeah, sir, clear.
So what you are having in class 9, we have read, apart from read, we have read one extra topic, that is your frustum. All right. So if you go to the class 10, this is not new topic for you. This is like a cone only. If you're just removing the top part of this, you will get the bucket kind of thing. And that is nothing, name is what? Frustum. What do we call it as? Frustum. All right. So let us few questions from you now about the formulas. Saritwik,
Okay, sir.
tell me the CSA of cone.
So
Sorry.
CSA of cone is pi RL.
Pi RL. Okay. Pulastya, area of 4 walls.
Okay.
Tell me, Pulastya, area of 4 walls.
I'm doing it.
Don't know.
Wait, I did not understand.
No. What my question is, area of 4 walls or LSA of cuboid. You
Oh,
heard?
okay.
Hmm.
Okay, yes. Lateral surface area.
Yes, lateral surface area of cuboid. Do you know, Pulastya?
Yes.
This thing can tell me. Who
It's
can answer
just
this?
the base times height times.
Base.
Wait.
And I
The
can.
base times height plus
Okay, base
the
times height.
second base times height
Okay, 2 times base height. Next,
plus length 2 times length height.
2 times length height. Is it correct? Saritwik,
No, sir.
it's not correct.
No, sir.
So it is correct.
Deepshika, is it correct?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me your formula, Deepshika.
So 2L plus BH.
2L plus B into H. You are saying this way?
Yes, sir.
So what is difference between this and this? Try to understand.
Yeah, sir. I guess it's technically correct. Both are.
Both are correct, Deepshika. You have just taken 2H common. See, this 2 is here also, 2 is here also, H and H common, right?
In that we have multiplied.
Yeah, 2H is common, and in bracket we have written L plus B. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this part is clear now. Next, Bhumika, TSA of cone.
Pi
TS
R into R plus L.
pi r into R plus L. Fine. Next, Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi.
Yes, sir.
TSA of cylinder. TSA of cylinder.
Is
Yes.
it 2 pi r bracket h plus r?
Yes, correct. What is TSA of cube? Deepshika.
6A square.
6A square. What is difference between CSA and TSA? of cube. Deepshika, what is the difference between CSA and TSA?
Oh, so it's 4a square, so CSA.
Okay, what is difference? Formula is correct. What you're saying, formula is completely correct. What is difference between CSA and TSA of any figure?
CSA is like excluding the top part and the bottom part.
TSA is excluding top and bottom, right?
Yes. No, CSA is excluding top and bottom. TSA is including them.
Acha, TSA is including top pattern. Okay, fine. So I'll give one question to all of you. Okay, just do that question. One question is like, this is one cylinder over here. Cylinder. Height is 20 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter. Okay. You have to find surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of cylinder if surface area of the cylinder if top lid is removed. Okay, see, surface area of cylinder with top lid is removed. Okay, this top part is not there. Remember, children, here this top part has been removed from the top. This is not there. Top part has been removed. You have to find surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder if top lid is removed. Just write your answer in the chat box. So many children have left. Pulastya, then Satvik Notakki, Vivek has left. Deepshika, tell me the formula. Which formula you are using here?
Sir, I'm using 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r.
2 pi r h plus
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Which formula is this? What I told, this formula is there.
So 2 pi r h is the CSA, and because you've removed the top lid, I'm adding the bottom lid 2 pi r.
So bottom area is 2 pi r. Bottom area is 2 pi r. Just think this is not the area of circle. Just check.
So it's only pi r.
What, Deepshika?
It's only pi r.
Area of circle, you know what is area of circle? Deepshika, just try to recall. Area of circle. Try to recall what is area of circle.
pi r square.
Yes. But don't write 2 and all here. Just write only what? Pi
R
r. Yes, that only should write, correct? So just remember here 2 pi rh plus pi r square. All right. So all of you are doing the same thing, children. 2 pi rh plus pi r square you should use, not 2 pi r square or anything like that. So it's only pi r square. Just only pi r square you should use. Anyone got the answer?
Sir, I'm getting 1496.
1496.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 pi rh. You can take, what is anything is common in this 2? Pi r square and 2 pi rh. Pi r is common, right? So 2 h plus r we can write, correct? So pi is 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 14.
Yes, sir.
In bracket 2 into h means 2 into 20 plus radius is 14. So 7 2s are 14. We just 22s are 44 into 40 plus 14. So what do you get? 44 into 54. So what the answer you get? That is your unit square. Is it clear to everyone? All you've done the same way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children, we'll continue the questions based on this chapter in the next class. Okay, today
Yes,
we
sir.
are
I've done a mistake. It's the answer is not that what I've said. It's 2376.
okay, fine. Okay, Jen, that's for today. You can leave for the day. We just continue the same class on the next. That is on Wednesday. Okay. Thank you. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Hello.